team early and often, finished with a double-double, perfect from the field and perfect from three. How were you able to see the field so well today?
We just came out with a lot of energy. We understood this is an important game for us. We want to continue to get better. We wanted to get back to playing at the level that we've been playing before, obviously, Rob went down. So came out with a lot of good energy tonight, and was able to sustain it for the whole game.
A dominant win against a team that's playoff bound. What does that indicate about the level at which you guys are playing at right now?
Well, I don't know if you felt it, but for the past month, we've been playing playoff level basketball. So this is what I expect from our guys, and continuing to just get better.
And with Rob Williams not being out there, have you guys found ways to really gel and step up and fill those gaps?
Trying to find ways. I just think it's going to make our team that much better. We miss Rob. We can't wait to have him back. But in the meantime, we're just trying to find ways to, so even when he's back, we know we can count on guys like Tice and play different ways, too.
Well, right now it's working. Thanks so much, Al.
Thank you for watching ESPN on YouTube. For live streaming sports and premium content, subscribe to ESPN+.